The faint crackle and pop of melting ice drifts through the speakers. It hisses and sighs as age-old glaciers dissolve into the sea. These are the sounds that artist Jana Winderen has dedicated her career to recording and sharing with the world.
I realized that, it's like a sort of massive, alive organism.
Jana wades through frigid waters with hydrophones in hand, patiently waiting to capture the voices of creatures and environments. She transforms these disappearing sounds into haunting music. This week, we are going off the radar to explore the work of Jana Winderen and how she uses sound to convey the gravity of climate change.